Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to paint hibiscus flowers using oil pastels. So someone requested me last week because I've already uploaded a video on coloring hibiscus, but I didn't draw it. So someone asked how to draw, and in this video I'm going to include the drawing as well. So I didn't get the perfect drawing right away. I had to erase and draw a few times until I was happy with my drawing. At first I just planned to just paint one hibiscus flower, and then I changed my mind and added two more, like just some parts of the flowers at the edges, because I felt like it was too empty. And I didn't add whole flowers, I just added some parts because then it will be too crowding and I don't want that. So I'm starting with the lightest color that I'm going to be using, which is white. It's like some highlight parts of the flowers. So even if I accidentally add red on top of this, I can scrape it off. And now I'm adding the lightest red that I have. It looks like orange, but it's not orange, it's actually red. Now I'm adding another red that I have. It's like a few shades darker than the first red. So I'm adding this for the shadowy parts. Now I'm adding some brown. Now I'm gonna add my shadows at the darkest parts of the flower, which is the center of the petals. I'm adding some strokes using the white. So the first flower is done, and I'm going to move on and paint the rest of the flowers, the other two. I'm going to paint the leaves in a few different shades of green. Starting with the lightest green first, and then I'm adding a darker green, and I'll be adding some brown later on. Since oil pastels are not precise enough for my preference, I'm using color pencils just for this bit where I'm painting the style. Style is the middle part that looks like a stalk, like a long stalk. So I am done, guys, and I'm happy with the result. Overall, I enjoyed painting this. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.